Today, we shall discuss on visionary thinking in leadership. Visionary thinking refers to the ability of a leader to imagine the future, set ambitious goals, and inspire others to work towards them. Visionary leaders focus on long term impact rather than short term gains, innovation and disruption rather than maintaining the status quo, inspiring people with a compelling vision. Some of the key traits of visionary leaders are clear and bold vision, strategic foresight, ability to inspire and communicate effectively, willingness to take calculated risk, commitment to long term progress. Some of the global examples of visionary thinking in leadership. First one, Elon Musk, who owns Tesla, SpaceX, Neuralink, and OpenAI. The vision is a sustainable interplanetary future for humanity. Elon Musk envisions a world powered by renewable energy, that is Tesla, and a future where humans colonize Mars, that is SpaceX. He disrupted the automotive industry by making electric cars mainstream and challenged space exploration norms with reusable rockets. Second example could be of Steve Jobs, that is Apple. The vision is a seamless fusion of technology and design to enhance human experience. Jobs revolutionized personal computing, that is Mac, mobile phones, iPhone, and digital media, iTunes and iPads. He foresaw the rise of touch based interfaces, intuitive designs, and ecosystem driven technology. Third example is of Jeff Bezos, that is Amazon. The vision was a customer centric world driven by e commerce and cloud computing. Jeff Bezos envisioned an online marketplace for everything, starting with books and expanding to global retail domination. He anticipated the power of cloud computing, which now fuels the modern digital economy. Next example is of Nelson Mandela, the former president of South Africa. The vision was a democratic and racially equal South Africa. Nelson Mandela led the anti apartheid movement, spending 27 years in prison before uniting a fractured nation. His vision of reconciliation over revenge ensured a peaceful transition to the democracy. Next example is of Walt Disney, the Disney Studios. The vision was to create a world of imagination, entertainment, and family joy. Disney transformed the entertainment industry by blending storytelling with animation, creating Disneyland and Disney World, and pioneering themed entertainment experiences. Now, let's discuss on adaptability in leadership. Some of the key traits of adaptable leaders are embracing change rather than resisting it, learning from failures and adjusting strategies, staying open to innovation and new ideas, making data driven decisions, leading through uncertainty and confidence. Some of the global examples of adaptability in leadership are first one, Satya Nadella, Microsoft. The adaptability was he transformed Microsoft from a software company to a cloud and AI powerhouse. Nadella shifted Microsoft's focus from Windows centric software to cloud computing and AI. He embraced cross platforms collaborations, for example, Microsoft Office for iOS and Android, and pushed for a subscription based model through Microsoft 365. Next example is of Orpha Winfrey through Media Mogul. The adaptability was she shifted from television to digital media and brand building. Orpha transitioned from a TV host to a multi platform entrepreneur, adapting to streaming, podcast, and digital content. She built the own network and leveraged personal branding to remain influential in a rapidly evolving media landscape. Next example is of Reed Hastings through Netflix. The adaptability was he transformed Netflix from a DVD rental services to a global streaming giant. Netflix pivoted from renting DVDs to on demand streaming when technology and consumer habits changed. Hastings then adapted further by producing original content, that is, House of Cards, Stranger Things, challenging Hollywood's traditional model. Next example is of Winston Churchill, the former UK Prime Minister. The adaptability was led Britain through World War II by adjusting war strategies. Churchill demonstrated strategic adaptability by changing battle tactics in response to the evolving war scenarios. His powerful speeches and leadership style informed Britain to remain resilient despite crisis. Next example is of Howard Schultz, Starbucks. Adaptability was revived Starbucks by shifting business strategies. When Starbucks faced declining sales in the 2000s, Schultz revamped store experiences, digital ordering, and global expansion. He embraced social responsibility, making Starbucks a leader in sustainable sourcing and employee welfare. Now we shall discuss the visionary thinking versus adaptability, the leadership balance based on aspect, visionary thinking, and adaptability. First aspect is focus, future goals and innovation, present challenges and flexibility. Second focus is mindset, that is big picture, long term, and open mindedness, responsive. Next aspect is key question. Where do we want in to be in 10 years? How do we navigate today's challenges? Aspect example leader, that is Elon Musk, SpaceX, Tesla, and for a focus it is Satya Nadella, Microsoft. Next, the power of combining vision and adaptability. We shall discuss a case study on Amazon's evolution. Visionary thinking. Bezos started Amazon as an online bookstore but envisioned a global e commerce empire. The adaptability was when digital content grew, Amazon launched Kindle and later the AWS. One more case study is on Apple's reinvention. Steve Jobs envisioned simple, elegant technology, that is Mac, iPod, and iPhone. The adaptability was after Jobs, Tim Cook adapted by focusing on services and supply chain efficiency. Lessons for future leaders. Think big, but be prepared to pivot when needed. Embrace change as an opportunity, not as a threat. Communicate a compelling vision while staying open to new realities. Innovate continuously while adapting to market shifts. Learn from setbacks and adjust your leadership styles accordingly. The final thoughts: the world needs leaders who dream big like Elon Musk but adapts fast like Satya Nadella. Visionary thinking and adaptability in leadership. Now we shall discuss some of the Indian examples on visionary thinking and adaptability in leadership. Visionary leaders possess the ability to foresee future possibilities, set a clear direction, and inspire others to follow. They focus on long term goals and innovate to create a lasting impact. First Indian example could be of Dhirubhai Ambani's Reliance Industries. He envisioned making Reliance a global powerhouse and transformed India's corporate sector by introducing equity culture and large scale industry growth. Second example is of Narayan Murthy, Infosys. He pioneered the Indian IT revolution, envisioning India as a global IT outsourcing hub and emphasizing ethical corporate governance. Third example is of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the former president and scientist. He led India's missile and space programs with a vision of making India self-resilient in defense and technology. Now we shall discuss on adaptability in leadership. Adaptability refers to a leader's ability to navigate change, embrace innovation, and pivot strategies in response to evolving circumstances. Some of the Indian examples are Ratan Tata, the Tata Groups. He diversified Tata's business from steel and automobiles to global acquisition. Example, the Jaguar Land Rover, and introduced the affordable nano car to meet market demands. Next example is of Kiran Mazumdar Shaw, the Biocon. She adopted to challenges in biotech and shifted from enzymes to pharmaceuticals, making Biocon a leading pharmaceutical company. Next example is of Sachin Bansal and Binny Bansal, who owns Flipkart. They adopted to India's e-commerce landscape, pivoting from an online bookstore to a full-scale retail platform, competing with global giants like Amazon. In conclusion, a combination of visionary thinking and adaptability is essential for leaders' success. Indian leaders across industries have demonstrated these qualities, transforming their organizations and contributing to India's economic and technological progress.